Constructing angles with a protractor. This is awesome. I remember using an actual protractor. You guys should make sure, well, you should ask your parents to buy you a protractor from Amazon and draw all kinds of pictures. There's also this thing that you can, well, I forget what it's called. If I think about it by the end, I'll let you know. But here's a protractor. We're trying to make angles, and we're trying to get to 130 degrees. So this is 0 degrees, and when we ratchet it up, like a clock almost, we get to 130 degrees right there. You can see that the 130 degrees is over here. And you can choose answer. All right, how about if we take this to 100 degrees? So I'll click on this arrow, I'll ratchet it up to 100 degrees, and you can see that this angle over here is obtuse, right? Anything to the right of this 90 is going to be obtuse. Anything to the left is going to be acute, and then anything exactly on the 90 will be right. So here we have 100 degrees. Okay, so how about 15? So let's get to 15. Oh, I'm a scratch pen. No, I'm not. Let's get to 15. It's right between the 10 and the 20. And that's an acute angle. How about 25? That's also an acute angle. It's less than 90, right? You can see that, right? Like 90 will be there. This is less than 90. And so that's it. 20, well, that's right here. Notice that you see these blue numbers. That's if you wanted to start from the other side, right? And you had to move around all the way to 160, right? So who do you think might use a protractor? Can you think of a job where you'd have to use a protractor? Sure you can. Think of something where you're drafting plans or whatnot. How about an architect? All right, so this is 95. And that's barely obtuse, but still obtuse. Okay, how about 150 degrees? Well, go all the way around, right? 180, what's cool is 180 gets you back to a straight line, right? The important ones, 90, right angle. 180, doesn't it feel like we're directing traffic right now? 180, straight line. 150, pretty obtuse. Okay, how about 60 degrees? 60 is a really cool one, right? Because 60, if you do 63 times, you get 180, right? So 60 is there, another 60 gets you here, and then another 60 gets you here, right? So here's 60. How about 85? Ooh, that's really close to right, but it's actually disturbing, isn't it? Those numbers that are really close to perfect. That's what they say. There's something about virtual reality that's like bothers people because it's so close to the real thing, but not the real thing. 85 to 90. All right, here we go. 85. And what about 50 degrees? Right here, 50 degrees. And that's that. So try to get a real protractor. Draw some pictures with it. I still can't think of the name, but there's this cool spirally set of things you can get where you draw all these amazing circles. It's such a fun kit. You can do beautiful art with it. So if you can figure it out from those words, you are amazing. And either way, you're amazing. So I'll see you next time.